Good evening everyone, this is Coach Chen and tonight I'm going to teach you on how to transfer money or funds from GCash into your coins.ph. So first, mag-login tayo sa account natin sa GCash. Ilagay natin yung ating password. Ayan. And then click natin yung transfer. After that, click natin yung view all. And then, i-search natin dito yung coins.ph or i-type natin para mas mabilis. And then, ilagay natin yung desired amount kung magkano ba ang i-transfer natin. And yung account name ng coins.ph. Dapat tama yung spelling. At the same time, yung ating number. So, make sure na nakalagay din yung ating email kasi every time na may transaction tayo is may notification sa ating email. Alright, here it is. So, every time na mag-transfer, merong charge na 15 pesos. So, hintayin natin yung code or OTP. Medyo matagal ah. Alright, for a while. Here it is. Then submit. So, ayan na. So, bank transfer is being processed. So, i-check natin kung dumating na ba sa ating coins.ph. So, punta tayo sa ating account. Okay, alright, here it is. Since mayroon ng laman ang ating coins, so mag-add na yung ating pinadala na 500 pesos. So, as you can see, nasa Philippine peso pa siya. So, ibili natin yan ngayon ng Polygon. So, simple lang. I-type natin yung Polygon and then max or maximum. So, ang equivalent niya sa Polygon ay ang hirap naman hanapin. I-type na lang natin dito sa search para mas madali. Ayan. So, yung 500 na bago nating transfer, meron na tayong 28 na Polygon nun. Alright, transaction successful. So, since na meron tayong pundo ng Polygon and then na-add yung 500 na pinadala natin, as of now, meron na tayong 310 na Polygon and ready to transfer to another wallet.